Have you ever been asked by your manager how much do we owe this supplier and then found yourself searching through a long list of invoices to find the answer? There has to be a faster way. In this Excel video, we're going to build a simple Excel tool that finds supplier payment details instantly and even warns you before a payment becomes overdue. Let's build it from scratch. You can download this Excel template from the link in the description. So let's start. Let's first build the lookup section. Type these headings. In cell A1, type supplier name. In cell B1, type amount due. And in cell C1, type due date. This section will display our lookup results. Now move down to row 4. Enter these headings. In cell A4, type supplier name again. In cell B4, type invoice number. In cell C4, type amount due. And in cell D4, type due date. Now I will quickly add the supplier data so we can start building the automation. Like this, right? Now I will adjust the column widths. Right? This table represents the accounts payable register. Every row is one supplier invoice. Now let's make this worksheet look polished. We will center these headings. Right? And now we will bold. Next, select this top section and apply all borders. And now select this table section and apply all borders. Now we will color our headers like this, right? Now in the lookup section, click cell A2, go to data and data validation, choose list. For the source, we will select this entire supplier names range. Now hit enter and click OK. Watch what happens. Every supplier now appears in a neat drop-down list. Instead of typing names manually, we will simply choose one supplier. This prevents spelling mistakes. It also makes searching much faster. Now comes the exciting part. Click cell B2, type this formula equals to IFERROR open parentheses VLOOKUP open parentheses. Now select this cell A2 and hit F4 key for dollar signs, comma. Now we will select this entire table range from A5 through D24 and hit the F4 key again, comma. Now type 3, comma, false, close parentheses, now comma, double quotes, and type supplier not found, double quotes and close parentheses, and hit enter. Let's understand every part. The VLOOKUP, this tells Excel to search vertically. A2 cell, this is the value we're searching for. It's the supplier selected from our drop down. Now this range, this is our database. Notice the dollar signs. These create absolute references. That means the lookup range won't move if we copy the formula. This number 3, this tells Excel to return the third column. Our third column in this table is amount due. False, this tells Excel to find an exact supplier name. Never use true for supplier names. False is the correct choice. Finally, this if error at the beginning. If someone deletes a supplier or the name doesn't exist, instead of showing #NA error, Excel displays a friendly message that is supplier not found. Right? Now I will select another supplier from this list. Watch the amount change instantly. Now click cell C2 and simply copy this formula from B2 to C2 here. The only difference is the number 4. Why? Because due date is in 4th column. So we will remove this and type 4 as the column index number and hit OK. You will see this number instead of date. To fix this, simply go to Home and now go to this drop down and select short date. And now press Ctrl 1 and from this list select this date format and click OK. Now again choose another supplier. Both values update automatically. That's the power of VLOOKUP. Now that our VLOOKUP is working perfectly, let's make this worksheet even smarter. One of the biggest challenges in accounts payable is making sure you don't miss payment deadlines. Instead of checking every due date manually, let's have Excel automatically highlight overdue invoices for us. First, we will highlight overdue payments automatically. For that, select all the due dates in your table. In this example, I'll select cell C2, now Control Hold, and then this whole range E5 through E24. If your table grows in the future, simply select the additional due dates as well. Now go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, now highlight Cell Rules and click Less Than. A small dialog box will open. In the box that asks for the value, type the formula equals to today, open parentheses, close parentheses. Don't worry if you never used the today function before. The today function simply returns today's current date automatically. That means every time you open the workbook, Excel compares each due date with today's date. So for example, today is August 2nd, and if the due date is earlier than August 2nd, Excel knows that the payment is overdue. Now choose a formatting style. You can select light red fill with dark red text or click custom format if you want to choose your own color. For this tutorial, I'll use the light red option because it immediately grabs attention. Now click OK. Watch what happens. Every invoice whose due date has already passed is instantly highlighted in red and our overdue invoices stand out immediately. There is no need to scan the worksheet manually anymore. Excel does the checking for you automatically. As I will select Alpha Limited here and see this turns red here as well because the payment is overdue. Now let's add another useful automation. Instead of waiting until an invoice becomes overdue, let's have Excel warn us before the due date arrives. This gives your finance team enough time to prepare the payment and avoid late fees. We'll use a 7-day warning, but you can easily change it to 14 days or 30 days later if needed. Now first click cell C2. This is the due date returned by our VLOOKUP formula. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard and select the due date range D5 through D24. This allows us to create one conditional formatting rule that works for both the lookup result and the supplier data table at the same time. Go to Home. Now again conditional formatting. Choose New Rule. Now select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This option lets us create our own custom condition. In the formula box down here, type formula equals to and open parentheses C2 is greater than equals to today open parentheses close parentheses comma again C2 is less than equals to today open parentheses close parentheses plus 7 and close parentheses. Let's quickly understand how this works. Today returns today's date and today plus 7 means 7 days from today, and checks that both conditions are true. So what this means is that the due date must be today or later, and it must be within the next 7 days. If both conditions are true, Excel highlights the cell. Now click Format, open the Fill tab, and we will select this yellow color. Click OK, and then click OK again to finish creating the rule. Immediately, any payment due within the next 7 days is highlighted in yellow. This gives you an early reminder before the invoice becomes overdue. Now in the lookup section, let's select Metro Inc. and notice the due date is automatically highlighted in yellow because the payment is due within the next 7 days. Finally, let's also add a few simple instructions so anyone using this worksheet can quickly understand what the colors mean and how the file works. Like this, right? Now let's quickly recap what we have built. We created a simple but powerful accounts payable lookup system from scratch. We used a drop-down list to select suppliers, VLOOKUP to retrieve the amount due and the due date instantly, and conditional formatting to automatically highlight overdue invoices in red and payment due within the next 7 days in yellow. With just a few simple Excel features, you have built a practical tool that can save time, reduce errors, and make managing supplier payments much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio for more practical Excel and accounting tutorials. And if you want to continue learning how to create supplier payment vouchers, watch my payment voucher Excel series next. In that playlist, you will learn how to build a professional payment voucher system step by step with practical automation that you can use in your daily work. I have linked the playlist on the screen and in the description. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next one.